Hello, families. Hi, lovely. It's been a minute. It's good to be here again. So sorry, I've not been here for a while. It's for personal reasons, but it's so good to be back. Thank you so much for your patience. I'm so grateful. Please do remember that God loves you no matter what you're going through. God is there for you. He will not leave you, He will not depart from you. Seek Him and have faith, believe in Him, and He will come through for you in due time. Welcome back to my channels, lovely. I love you so much. Thank you for always coming by. Thank you for your support. I'm so grateful. Welcome back, lovelies. So, lovelies, this hairstyle is a very simple hairstyle. It's a normal braid twist with braid, okay, and it's a combination of beads and coils, okay. So keep watching, you will definitely understand everything I'm doing. It's very simple, it's just a twist just to change the normal braids that we do, okay. So please, if you're just checking us out for this first time, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Please do support us, help us grow. We need your help. Thank you so much for your love. We are so grateful. I'm so grateful to my returning subscribers. God bless you all. To those watching, liking and sharing, I'm grateful. God bless you. May God replenish you. And please do support us. Thank you. Keep watching. We love you. If you are still watching to this moment, you're my real MVP. I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. Please do like, comment, and also share. And please, you can also comment and tell us the kind of style you want us to put out there for you, and we'll definitely do. Thank you so much. I love you. Kindly like, comment, and share once more. Thank you. And please do subscribe. God bless you. Myself and my baby says, God bless you.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
To know more about this particular threading, please check the video up here. I'll drop it somewhere here so that you can understand this threading very well, okay. So I made a video tutorial of that, so I'm going to drop it here like I said. Yeah.
Where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go?
Afterwards, I'm going to seal up the mouth of the ones with bead with lighter. Then I'm going to dip in hot water. Please be careful with hot water around children, okay. So, and we're done with that. So I'm losing the ones with the threading ones, okay. Yeah, just like that. And it's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. What do you think about this hairstyle? Please comment and also share, like our videos. Thank you. We'll see you again next time. God bless you. Bye bye.